Hey guys, Jason Geiman here to give you another tip trick to help you grow and be a successful business, and so that you will be profitable and you will be able to support your family and do well. So with that being said, here is the tip of the day. So right here I have a 1/4 inch plastic shutoff valve. This works great for turning on and off your downstream injector. So back in the day when I first started 6-7 years ago, I didn't use this ball valve. I had a tube hooked to the downstream injector and it went straight into a bucket. Back then I didn't batch mix my stuff. I would mix 2 gallons of sodium hypochlorite, SH, bleach, whatever you want to call it, into 3 gallons of water with about 3 to 4 ounces of Bruce knot. That was my stuff. It's simple, you don't need a lot of stuff. It's mobile. I would just get a couple gallons of, I would get pool shock, and that's how I did it. It was the way I did it back then. But even now, I did finally get a valve here, and instead of just taking that out and laying it on the ground and taking a chance of wherever that soap is that you just pulled out, leaking back down in the grass, cleaning, killing something, you can use this ball valve. This ball valve works great. I'll put a link to it below. It's just a real easy plastic ball valve. They last probably 2 years, 1.5 years, 2 years is what I'm getting out of them, so they last a long time and they work really well. Like I said, I'll put a link down below, and hope that helps you out. But with that being said, hope you have a great day, and hope everything for your business goes well. If you have any questions, let me know. And remember, a lot of this stuff is we got to take action. You got to do it, and the only way you're going to get stuff done is doing it. And so hope that works out for you, and thanks a lot.